Hi! In front of me is REALME GT2 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this REALME. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications and Status bar. After that, click on Reset next to App Notifications and tap on one of those filters, like Frequency. Then click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications, like Google. You can switch them back on the same way. You can also just click on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!